Welcome back to Pond Bank Farms. But it's gonna be like an hour and a half, 2 hours out of our day because of one. Oh man, I can't believe I forgot. I can't believe I forgot. Hello guys. Well, it's raining, it's getting dark. I'm heading to fix a forage wagon. Dad is currently harvesting corn silage. Farm's about 35 minutes away, so I'm heading there. I gotta fix the wagon and pick Dad up. He's gonna finish there tonight and we're coming home. Then we gotta come back here in the morning for another customer. This video should be pretty exciting. Stick around and we'll see what we get into, but hopefully everything runs smooth and we can get a ton of corn chopped here in the next few days. Also worth mentioning, I've been under the weather the last few days. Hopefully I'm on the uptrend. I'm hoping to feel better tomorrow. Okay, we're here. We're gonna get these belts on before it gets dark out, hopefully. So if you look right in here, must be two belts that go from there to there, which is the PDO. Okay, the belt is fixed, or it's on again. I hope that's the only problem. I don't know. Guess we'll see. This show must be a bit tighter. Does not look like there's much at all left to do here, so that's good. Just hanging out with Gary on the tractor right now. We're almost done. What? So we're gonna take it to the next farm, and then we're gonna go home and start early in the morning. Okay, we are almost done. Dad's got a small row to do yet. I'm gonna hop in the truck and help the owner here unload the wagon that I fixed the belt with. Make sure everything works on there. Good morning, guys. So we're gonna head out and I'm taking the tractor and gotta get the harvester greased. But then Dad's coming with the tractor later, or with the truck later on. And yeah, driving. Okay, harvester ready to go, got it greased up. Wagon's ready, we're just waiting for Dad now. He's on his way with the truck, he'll be here any minute. And then we're off to the next farm. Well, we're en route to the next farm. We are starting. Always the slowest part is getting started in a field. Not going much later than we wanted today. It's not like we started later. It's just by the time you get everything greased up and stuff and travel over here, it takes some time, but that's okay. We're starting now. So we got the first load in the back here, and I'm just following Dad till we get to, I think there's an alfalfa field on that side coming down, so then I can pass him there and go into the yard where we're doing the ag bag from there. But right now I'm just stuck behind him. So here's what I'm looking for. There's even a bush lane here, so it should be good. So this is extremely humiliating, but you gotta share everything, right? I was about to unload, and I go out to hook on the PDO, and I had completely forgot to switch it. I had 1,000 stub on there, and I need a 540. Oh, that is frustrating, because it's not one of those that like spins around and it's on the other side. It is at home. I got Emily on her way bringing it, but it's gonna be like an hour and a half, 2 hours out of our day because of one. Oh man, I can't believe I forgot. I can't believe I forgot. But anyway, where we were cutting corn brought me back to get the truck here, so I'm taking the diesel over, so at least it's over there if we don't get finished tonight, I guess. Well, look who's with me. Yep, we're catching up to Grandpa. I finally got the first 2 wagons unloaded, and we're rolling now. That was interesting morning, to say the least. The winner of the Guess the Bale Challenge for the bean straw is Mark Hugendijk. Very close guess. We got 62 bales. Mark Hugendijk guessed 61. He was like the 3rd guess, and he hit it right on, well, not quite right on the head, but very close. And we got the most ever guesses in a Guess the Bale Challenge, and we had a lot of close guesses, but yours was the closest. So you are this Guess the Bale Challenge winner. So due to me forgetting the PDO stub, we're just starting here. It's 1 o'clock. And now it's time to make hay when the sun shines, so to speak. I'm gonna blame it on being sick. I was feeling like horrible this morning, and my mental awareness is not there like it normally is. I don't know. I don't think I normally forget that, but it is what it is. Emily brought it. I got on a little harvester ride, which she was asking for Emily this morning, and so it worked out. But we're definitely, it's a later start. It's a later start than we were hoping. I'm honestly still not feeling like $1,000,000, but the show must go on. So my daughter's only like a bit over 4 months old, and I'm already stealing her things. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Starting to drizzle a bit. Hopefully that passes by. Well guys, it looks like we got rained out. The field's just getting sticky, and they don't want mud tracked up in their yard, and I understand that, and it's just gonna be too muddy to go soon anyway. We're gonna get this load in, and they're setting the ag bag up, the second one. We're gonna put this load in there, and we're quitting. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate we didn't get started early this morning. I was up and going early, but it just wasn't our day, and that's a lot on me. But anyway, it is what it is. Can't do much about it now, and let's get out of the field before we get stuck. Well, we got rained out. What do you do? Just moving the ag bagger. We got one load here that needs to go somewhere, and we're gonna set up the second ag bag here, put this load in, and call her quits for the day, I guess. When those thoughts set in, if only I'd been earlier, what if? What if? Could have we got done? Oh well, you can't dwell on it, I guess. So we want to make sure we get this wagon good and empty, because I don't think, by the looks of it, doesn't look like we're going to be back tomorrow. So corn silage will start heating and spoiling, and we want it off the wagon. Find a place to park somewhere. And with that, corn cutting is paused for a day or two. We'll see how the weather cooperates for us in the next few days here, but hopefully we can be back at it soon. Okay, we made it in for the night. We're gonna call it quits for the night. I think it's like 7 o'clock or something, 6:45. So that'll be it for today, and that'll also be it for this video. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and go ahead and share it to any friends that enjoy farming videos. Also, you can hit the thumbs up, and we will see you, like always, in the next one. Thanks for watching.